Is that what you do now?
Hello.
When he first got it, he kept looking at me and like adjusting so I'd like try and look all cute or whatever, get ready to look all cute. And I was like, okay. He's like, no, I'm videoing. And I was like, like, right. That's how it goes. Say up. Up.
Toy. Ready. Toy.
Got something behind his ear too.
My video only lasts
Looks
like
like a
3
bug
seconds
bite.
and it stops.
That might be because you don't have enough memory for a video longer than 3 seconds.